ceremony of the chieftaincy ceremony of our Kingsmen. I'm proud to be part of this function because I'm privileged to be part of the planning committee. So I'm here to witness what we've been preparing all this while to see it come out a success. The projects have been talking, so I pray that the weather will be obedient to us and things will go on as planned.
Ewaji abiro ka mgbogbo ana-eme ya ihe ji wee na-eme n'ụbọchị start bụ na election in Imo State local government elections started na Saturday. On Saturday ka anyị ka awaji ya because of the local government election anyị ga-asọpụrụ no government anyị were budata anyị n'ụbọchị start so n'eli ya ka anyị nọ ime omenala ahụ maka eze anyị ga-awapụ ji then ndị ọha obodo bidozi eribe ji ya mana mgbe ọ ga-awa ya odukwu niile ma ndị bi n'ụzọ ma ndị bi n'ụlọ ga-agbakọ n'isi obi anyị ebe a na ọ na-eme ya then ihe ọzọ dịzi na ya bụ itizi ugo na ememme nke taa bụ na a ga-echi ndị ụmụ anyị echichi ndị nke kpara ike ebe dị iche iche ndị nke na-enye aka maka ọganihu obodo ukwu taa ka a kpọkọrọ ha a ga-asa ha ụmụ m unu emeela ijiri ka unu ji ka ha nwee ike imekwukwe karịa ka ha megwere mbụ so ihe taa anyị nọbụ ihe gbasara omenala obodo and ọtụtụ ihe mmemme na ihe nlereanya ga-eme ebe a taa ụwa niile bịara ga-ahụ ya maka obodo ọwanụ nọ ga-nwere ejirimara ha ọma ihe ejirimara obodo taata ka anyị ga-egosi ya ndụ.
I'm Chidozie Ejeji, the President General of the Rivita Union. Today is 2010 AYG Festival in Obodo and all Omenala, or Modernala. As I got an opportunity to share in Obodo and nobody echichi. The Gasiaga 2010
AYG ceremony and this year is unique with the addition of a conferment of chieftaincy title on deserving sons and daughters of the community and those from outside. So the traditional AYG ceremony started as far as 200 years ago and it has continued to today. And we are happy that we've been able to sustain the rich cultural heritage of our community, and we hope that even after we pass on, our children, those yet unborn, will continue to carry it on until ages pass.
Coming, so we're on a radio fest. On the overall. On the Abuja, nobody opening in Abuja. About it. Also, not going to happen. Madana was for nothing. All the way in London. I got this is overall. When I need to get out of the practical.
Ugo one day one of about Ugu. I neck and
anything.
a lot of many chairmen. They were one of our own. So before we go into the they were one or two people who might come to them. Before they were anything. So I'm not quality.
What am I doing? And two women which will support our member chairman and the Lord by the channel. One is Monica from Momoka village at the management I was 15,000 when I support then 15,000 to the town union. That is 100,000 naira. I want to come and talk to me. Oh, my overall chairman. So, 50,000, that's about the cabinet. 50,000, that's about the cabinet. Thank you very much. Because nobody, how I know my cable, say, time, man, never more people. Really, there you go. When I say at the appropriate time, you may make a message. Really don't know here. How very good because all the chairman on our but because of time, their message they know like a very soon. So more than I've made 215,000 naira. When I support this year, government in Nigeria, when I say one more there, oh, tell them one more there. It's one week there, because most of them have that at me when one man with me, got to come on there. In my home, why you not say a government? When I support them with 100,000 naira.
Thank you.